Most European capitals charge visitors to see the best parts of the city. Amsterdam doesn't. The canals, the 17th century townhouses, the parks, the courtyards, the views, all of it is just there for anyone willing to walk and look. This is everything worth seeing in Amsterdam for free. Start with the UNESCO Canal Ring, 4 canals encircling the old city center, lined with merchant houses from the Dutch Golden Age that nobody charges you to walk past. Head to Reguliersgracht, where it crosses Herengracht. Look south and 7 arched bridges line up in perfect sequence. It's the most photographed spot in the city, and it costs exactly nothing. From there, the Jordaan, Amsterdam's prettiest neighborhood, built for craftsmen and immigrant families, now filled with flower-named streets, street musicians by the bridges, and a Saturday market at Noordermarkt. The Anne Frank house facade is visible from the outside, unchanged since 1944. Tickets sell out months ahead, but the street itself is free. On Spui Square, there's an arched wooden door that most people walk straight past. Through it, the Begijnhof, a 14th century courtyard where Catholic women once lived. Small houses, a chapel, and Amsterdam's oldest wooden building. A few minutes away on the Single Canal, the Bloemenmarkt floats on permanently moored barges. Wandering through is the whole point. Behind Centraal Station, the GVB ferry to Amsterdam Noord runs free, all day and all night. That 15-minute crossing of the IJ River is better than most paid canal cruises. Watch the city recede. Get off at NDSM Wharf, a former shipyard now covered in murals with artist studios and an Anne Frank portrait stretching stories high. The NEMO Science Museum charges for exhibits, but its rooftop terrace is completely open. Climb the outside stairs for 360-degree views, the harbor, the river, and the old city stretching south. Just as good, the Rijksmuseum Gardens. Tickets to the museum are pricey, but the gardens behind it are free. Art with no entry fee. Near Kalverstraat, the Civic Guard Gallery hides in a glass-roofed walkway connecting 2 old municipal buildings. The walls carry enormous Dutch Golden Age portraits, the same era as Rembrandt's Night Watch, visible to anyone for free. Vondelpark is 120 acres of Amsterdam's shared backyard, joggers at dawn, families with picnics, and free open-air theater in summer. And the OBA Public Library is 7 floors of glass and reading rooms with a rooftop terrace that gives some of the best free views. Every Wednesday, the Royal Concertgebouw, one of the world's most acoustically perfect halls, offers a free 30-minute lunchtime concert. And Albert Kuipmarkt in De Pijp is Amsterdam's largest street market. Fresh fish, Indonesian spices, vintage clothes. Come on a weekday morning, watch locals shop for dinner, and leave without spending anything. Amsterdam's historic center takes about 30 minutes to cross on foot. No metro pass needed, just comfortable shoes. Never walk in the red paved bike lanes. Cyclists have absolute right-of-way and move fast. And use the free tap water fountains. Amsterdam's best moments cost nothing. The quiet of a courtyard, the canals turning gold at sunset. Free walking tours led by locals who know the city's secrets. That's what you'll find at Freetour.com.